Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts, your go-to channel for detailed market analysis. Today is November 5th, 2025, and we are diving into the NZDUSD, or the Kiwi, which has just experienced a dramatic plunge to a new 7-month low. The headlines are painting a very clear picture for us. News outlets are reporting that the New Zealand dollar is tumbling due to a deteriorating local job market, with unemployment surging to a 9-year high of 5.3%. Compounding this local weakness, we have disappointing manufacturing data out of China, a key trading partner for New Zealand, which is weighing heavily on the growth-linked Kiwi. On the other side of the pair, the US dollar is showing significant strength. This is largely due to a more hawkish tone from the Federal Reserve, with Chair Powell's recent statements pouring cold water on expectations for another rate cut in December. This perfect storm of negative factors for the NZD and positive factors for the USD has triggered a significant sell-off. Now, let's turn to the charts to see how this story is unfolding in the price action and what we should be watching for next. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the broader context of this move. After peaking above the 0.63 level back in September, the pair has been in a consistent and powerful downtrend. This multi-month decline shows a clear pattern of lower highs and lower lows, establishing a strong bearish market structure. The recent price action, however, shows a significant acceleration to the downside. Notice this massive red candle from yesterday, November 4th. The price opened around 0.5705 and absolutely collapsed during the session, closing down near 0.564. This candle represents the market's reaction to the fundamental news we just discussed, wiping out the entire rally from late October in just a couple of days. This is a powerful statement from the sellers, and it confirms the overwhelming bearish sentiment in the market right now. To understand the anatomy of this crash, we need to zoom into a much smaller time frame. Switching over to the 15-minute chart, let's focus on the action from the last couple of days. Here we can see the price was consolidating in a tight range, mostly trading between 0.5700 and 0.5720 leading into the big move. This period of calm was the proverbial calm before the storm. The key breakdown occurred right here as the price sliced through the 0.5700 psychological support level. Once that floor gave way, the selling pressure intensified dramatically. Look at this huge 15-minute candle on November 4th, where the price plummeted from above 0.56 to an extreme low of 0.55317. This is a classic example of a news-driven capitulation event where stop-loss orders were likely triggered, fueling the waterfall decline. We did see a bounce off that low, with the price recovering back above 0.56, but the damage was already done. This intraday action confirms that sellers are firmly in control. Now, let's go back to the daily chart to put these new levels into perspective. The area around 0.5700, which was previously support, has now become a critical resistance level. Any attempt by buyers to push the price higher will likely be met with significant selling pressure at this breakdown point. Above that, the recent swing highs around 0.5800 act as the next major ceiling for the pair. On the downside, the immediate support is the fresh low established during the crash at 0.55317. This is the line in the sand for the bulls. A daily close below this level would be extremely bearish and would open the door for further declines. Looking back at the chart for historical price action, the next logical area of major support appears to be around the 0.5500 psychological level. These are the key battlegrounds traders will be watching closely. So, to recap the key price levels to watch, resistance is at 0.5700 and 0.5800, while support sits at 0.55317 and the major psychological level of 0.5500. Now for our unbiased outlook. The bearish scenario appears to be the most likely path, and I'd place its probability at around 70%. Given the powerful combination of negative fundamentals and the decisive technical breakdown, the path of least resistance is lower. A failure to reclaim 0.5700 would reinforce this, suggesting a retest of the 0.55317 low is imminent, with a high chance of continuing towards 0.5500. For a bullish reversal, which I'd give a 30% chance, we would need to see a strong and sustained breakback above 0.5700. This would suggest the recent crash was a final washout, but it would require a significant catalyst, like a surprisingly dovish turn from the Fed or incredibly strong data from New Zealand. There is also a possibility the market consolidates between 0.553 and 0.5700 as it awaits the next piece of major economic data, such as the upcoming US ADP and ISM services reports mentioned in the news. These reports will be crucial in determining the next leg for the US dollar and, consequently, for NZDUSD. Ultimately, the overwhelming evidence points towards continued weakness unless the bulls can mount a convincing defense at these critical lows. Thank you for watching this analysis on Explain the Charts. Before making any investment decisions, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research and analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.